My name is Sonia Ratan, and this is my presentation on Finalize the project schedule and mitigate any delays. Unplanned events. The project has run into a few unexpected events. It has been discovered that the refrigerated module is too large for the designed refrigerated backpack pouch. The subcontractor assigned to build the radio module for the backpack has shut down. This impacts the project since there is a deviation from the project specification. There is a delay in the project due to the component mismatch. This will result in negative impact on the project timeline and final delivery. And the project budget overrun may result in a loss to super PACs. In this slide, we present the event action plan. This includes to negotiate with the current supplier to adjust the refrigeration module requirements if at all possible, to notify the customer about the issue and to see if the specifications can be renegotiated under the current statement of work, to find an alternative backup supplier that can deliver on the refrigeration module, to update impact on project plan and timeline, and to notify the customer, which is the US Army, about the impact. The project impact includes impact on prototype building, impact on the timeline and quality, getting acceptance from the customer, the project timeline and delivery impact, and the project budget overrun may result in a loss to the super PACs. In this slide, we discuss the customer shutdown mitigation plan. Notify backup supplier about the change of status to the primary. To negotiate and expedite timeline with the backup supplier. To work on implementation of crashing techniques to close the gap in project delivery due to the impact. To make sure that the human resources are available in adjusted project plans. To update impact on the project plan and timeline. And to notify the customer, which is the US Army, about the impact. There is an overall impact on the budget. There is an increase in budget for the project due to the loss of deposit with current radio supplier shutdown. There is an increased cost involved due to finding a new supplier for the refrigeration module. There is an increased cost for the delivery as the manufacturing plant dependency needs to extend beyond the project timeline. There is a decrease in profit per unit of the backpack as new investment is needed for the refrigeration module redesign and switching to new radio module supplier. There is an overall impact on the human capital. There will be reallocation of the skilled resources for the design and prototype phase. An adjustment for the resources is needed for manufacturing due to change of the project timeline. And more resources are needed for project crashing implementation. Overall, this increases the human capital need. There is also an overall impact on the project schedule. The readjustment of the project plan needed to meet the delivery dates. There is an increased timeline as a result of the schedule changes. There are missed delivery dates and new agreement is needed with the customer. Therefore, all this results in negative impact on the project schedule. There is an overall impact on the capital resources. There is an increased strain on the line of credit. Also, there is an increased need for working capital requirements due to loss of capital because of supplier shutdown and redesign of the refrigeration module. And there is the missed opportunity for other project as capital is tied up in the existing project. Overall, the capital needs are increased. Thank you.